Why you should consider Pilates if you or someone you know has scoliosis. Hello, my name is Andy Zan. I'm a physical therapist, occupational therapist, as well as a Pilates and gyrotonic instructor here at CORE Therapy and Pilates. Scoliosis is a very common condition that we've seen with a lot of our clients, and usually they will suffer from lower back pain, neck pain, shoulder problems, hip problems, and even many other conditions as a result of scoliosis because of the compromised awareness of their body movement and the awareness of their body alignment position in the space. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about the benefits of Pilates exercises based on the 6 principles proposed by Joseph Pilates, the founder of this movement. Now before we move on, we would appreciate that if you could give us a thumb up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell so that you get the most up-to-date information about physical therapy, Pilates, gyrotonic, as well as any other wellness, health, promotion-related content that we put out. We would also be happy to see if you have any comments, thoughts, or questions that you could leave below, and we will be happy to answer any questions for you. So what are the 6 principles proposed by Joseph Pilates? Number 1 is breathing. You are required to breathe throughout the whole exercises in order to improve your movement efficiency as well as the stability to holding certain positions. Number 2 is centering. You are required to engage your core throughout the exercises in order to have better proximal stability at your trunk so that you can move your distal limbs more freely. Number 3 is concentration. You are required to concentrate on the movement throughout the Pilates session all the time. Number 4 is precision. Pilates choreography usually involves multiple joints throughout the body from proximal to distal to be held at different positions or to be expected to be moved into different angles or degrees at different times. Number 5 is flow. Pilates choreography can also be adjusted with different rhythm, speed, or tempo for different purposes, such as endurance, strength, or agility. Number 6, and the last principle, is control. You are required to control all your body parts while maintaining the stability, holding to certain positions at different speed, tempo, rhythm throughout the whole session and for each exercises. Clients with scoliosis would benefit significantly from practicing Pilates because of the huge focus on breathing, which we all know that the curvature happened in scoliosis, especially to the thoracic spine, can really compromise the mobility of the rib cage and then further compromise the lung function and breathing capacity. Moreover, they will be able to get more movement experiences along the midline and maintaining symmetrical alignment of their body because of the huge focus of centering and precision in Pilates choreography. Clients with scoliosis will also be able to develop better awareness of movement and how their body is in space by practicing Pilates with the focus on concentration, control, and flow. Since scoliosis is a condition not only affects the alignment of the spine, but also compromises the client's awareness of movement, their body alignment in space, but also their capacity to breathe, practicing Pilates can be very beneficial for them to improve their general overall motor function, as well as quality of life. Feel free to let us know what you think about this video. If you would like to learn more about Pilates or scoliosis, I created another video previously talking more about the 6 principles proposed by Joseph Pilates. We also have other videos that are already made talking more in depth about scoliosis. And if you are interested in starting Pilates today, I would encourage you to go to our website, https:// www.therapyandpilates.com to look for more information, or give us a call at 512-215-4227. We are doing our best to help people in Austin and Westlake Hills to be active, fit, and return to doing things they enjoy doing. We would love to help. We would love to help you as well. Have a great day. See you next time.